Cummins over there with the undersea lighting. All right, what's up guys? So we're here in a parking lot today. I'm here with my friend's car, and he drove actually because we're gonna, nice Cummins. Yo, we got the same sunglasses on, 717.
Do we?
No.
No, mine are fluorescent.
All right, yeah, so we're in the parking lot here today because we're gonna be doing a crazy prank.
Oh yeah, no, Jordan is inside and he thinks that we're fetching a wallet, but
this is gonna be the funniest thing. Oh no, dude. No, it's still going. This is gonna be the funniest thing ever, the funniest prank, and I've never done a prank on the channel before, so this is gonna be crazy, and I have everything ready to go. We already test fit everything on the front of the car. So are you ready?
I've been born ready. So Derek, what are we doing over here?
The screws go, dude. Oh, dude. I got him.
Well then, right over. Oh,
it's not what you expect.
Look out, Max.
So Jordan, the most liberal man we know.
Oh, wait a minute. Oh no, it has to be these, dude.
Huh?
These small ones. So I think I'm only going to tighten it with one because these small ones are even smaller.
No, I'm telling you, it's just going to be flapping around if you only have the one screw in there.
Oh, no, if it's tight enough, dude.
Increase the bit speed as you apply pressure.
I still don't have all too much faith in that unless you have some type of driver.
I do.
All right. Max is being a great lookout right now. He must have some type of video hacking device because he's just looking directly at his phone.
Yeah, very advanced red software.
Out of our league.
Everybody in their trap.
Oh my gosh. So as per tradition, what is your Thanksgiving dinner?
Oh, what the? Mine?
Yeah.
Well.
Uh-oh, I think I'm getting a call. Uh-oh. So what's going on, man?
Yo, they can only sell me 5 of them.
Really?
Four of them? Yeah.
Oh no.
She was like, couldn't do that for you.
Just be like, special privilege.
I was asking, I was like, why not?
Just say everyone else told you otherwise, and you will not leave until you are sold all 25 of those.
Where are you allowed to buy?
4.
Are you guys outside still?
Yeah, dude. We're trying to find your car.
Alright, you should have just let me go.
At least just get the 4, I guess.
Yeah, I was at like 40 so.
It costs what?
40 so.
Not even centered.
40 what?
42.
Oh, okay, that's not bad. All right, yeah, go for it.
Ford's having my career.
Alright.
All right, see you soon, bro. So as you can see, we just talked to the man, the myth, the legend, the Confederate hard right man right here.
Get a light on that, dude. just drilled in very recently. He's gonna kill us.
On the button.
It just went out.
Oh my god.
All right, so we gotta just take a look at what kind of car this is. This isn't even a truck or a Jeep. He's not gonna notice. And then when he does come back, do we all like stand here first and be like, yo, we should go there or there, like start pointing around and everything?
Well, I think we should go to Target. I want to go to a department store.
So you were saying he'll meet us over there?
They got deals on clothes.
Yeah, I need
days.
clothes, honestly.
That's my main reason for coming out here. I wanted to get a game and then mainly clothes, to be completely honest.
Do you need to get back in to get that game?
I don't really care all that much. On EA, online, it's like $2 more than what it is at its
Yeah, you
best
can
price
get all
on
the
store.
games on.
Are we gonna meet him back there, or are we gonna go to Target now?
I think he's coming over
Is there
here.
anything in Best Buy that's worth getting that you can't get elsewhere? I feel like the answer to that is
Dude, he's gonna freak out if he sees that.
So, at least what I picked out is they have a $189 Xbox One.
We're heading out now.
Did you not get a receipt?
Oh, what'd you do, man?
In case they aren't actually activated.
Finally on the road. This is crazy. I'm here for a brand new vlog camera. Damn, those are nice.
And then Battlefield 4.
Rebel T6.
We're about to get 2 of these. And then I'm probably also gonna get 2 of these. Evil Within, gonna get this for Jordan for his Christmas present. Probably gonna get this as well.
That probably brings in the people that would not normally buy that.
Somehow my GoPro was at 0%, now it's at 66. So I'm probably gonna get a couple of these. Here, switch over to that one. All right, we're now on the new one, guys. It looks pretty good and everything. Crowd Hunter.
Department stores.
What's the plan now?
12 o'clock. But that's 2 hours.
We gotta go.
Well, Mike's gonna be. Well, it's not out for 2 hours.
Milk.
And Mike's not gonna. Yeah.
This is lit.
Yo, Dick's open on that.
Hey, let's see if we can get some deals. Yeah.
The kayak for $160.
Let's buy it for the season.
I'm actually pretty convinced I'm buying it.
Are you gonna go on a trip? Literally gonna ruin everything. Oh, you got him.
Shawty bad, slim big, she my drug, she my
That's on the front, and this is like. Get those windows down. No, windows down. Oh, down. Windows down. Jordan, windows down. Windows down. Windows down, way to drop. We're doing this on Field and Stream right now.
I got a with them guns.
Always
just for fun. My past second love.
Rolling coal. Blow the speakers. Alright, remember guys, the plate is still in front of the car. Drop my phone on the floor. Yep. Here we go, Field and Stream, gonna get the deals. They must have made a mistake. A Hero 4 for $500. When you can get the Hero 5 for 400.
400.
Yeah.
Get the 400. Yeah, might as well.
Must be better.
They're like street speed advertised.
Damn. So we just got that new merch.
One of the daughters?
It's working, it's working, it's working, it's working.
Come on, man.
Real fast, baby, I don't drive slow. I don't drive slow. I don't drive slow. Drop the top on that thing just to let your hair blow. Let your hair blow.
Yo, it's lit.
I don't have to tell a nigga to ride wheels
Yo,
out the
this that real
The crackers that
Alright, trying to leave. Look at the front.
Did you guys put that on him? Did he notice it yet?
No. Hey, we've been driving around Friday and everything.
Dude, it's all on my one.
Yeah, because it doesn't line up.
Holy shit, that's hilarious.
Oh, Max Cork's right there.
We'll just ball out, dude.
Alright, let's go. Hello, YouTube. I just like to say that I'm gonna drink for the first time.
Rottweiler.
What'd I say?
Yo, I'm probably gonna get this one right here, bro.
I have no keys to give. Here, Jared.
It's lit.
What'd I say? What'd I say?
My dad is a very small.
So we ran up to Wilt's room real quick, just got to grab a couple things, then we're going to get the campfire started. But the plate is still in his car, as you can see, and I got Mike's reaction, so it's one of the craziest things. It's amazing. And I can't believe he has not noticed. I don't know when he's going to notice. We'll keep you updated for whatever happens during the situation. We're going to see him within the next couple days, so it's going to be crazy. I can't believe we got away with this.
Well, I feel like, alright, so sadly he's a little bit dumbfounded by the whole experience. He has not had a whole bunch happen to his car in a long time. So even if he, I don't know, he won't notice it for a while, I feel like. He won't notice it for several months. We'll be able to experience it for a long time.
So there was a ton of people out on the road today. It's definitely one of the craziest things we've ever seen.
Well, if you're talking about specs, they say 1 in every 4 people
From having the front plate.
No, being on the highway. Being on the highway traveling. It's like 1/5 of the people. It's a terrible.
And what's on his car is only going to attract people to him in a
it's
negative
not
way.
gonna help at all.
Negative way.
Yeah, no, it's not gonna help.
It's
at all.
the most negative message that you can give in America.
In our country currently now, yeah, no, that is not gonna be helpful at all.
Demonetized.
Yeah, no.
Because
Goodbye.
of this.
Goodbye. Ain't no way he gonna get no monetization.
So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe so I can see your next video. Until next time, take it easy.
You say what's up? What's up?
So we just drove away with the plate, and I don't know if you can see it, but his car lights are way out there. And he took off with it, dude.